Guys, I can't believe we're so lucky. Just have a look at that.
Hi my dear traders, welcome back to my new video, and today we'll be talking about technical analysis, talk about what it is, how to use it on your trading to earn money, and we'll try to make deposits several times bigger using one of the strategies. So sit comfortably, it's gonna be really interesting. So guys, we start with the basis of technical analysis. This is an analysis method when we use only the data that we see on the screen. And like fundamental analysis, where we only use analysis based on news, some economical reports, and other global factors, technical analysis is only about tools that you can use on the chart. So, one of the simplest tools of technical analysis are support and resistance zones, and we'll talk about them today and try to open several deals. So the thing is, everything we had on the history is always repeated on the chart, so it's really important to consider the moments that happened to the chart or prices, quotations earlier and past, and based on that prognose the further behavior. Those prognoses are mostly right and you can earn on them. For example, something that everyone knows, support and resistance levels has worked earlier, they work now, and they will be working in the future. I'll try to briefly tell you why does it work, and to do that, we should find some interesting support zone or resistance one on one of the charts. So guys, I managed to find an awesome example for you, and let's take this trading range and analyze what it is. So, levels in technical analysis are those price ranges which a huge amount of traders are interested in, or a small amount of really big ones. As you can see, this chart was moving within this range clearly for some period of time. So, we have a clearly formed support zone and resistance zone clearly formed. As we see from support zones, the chart has always been rolling back and get back to this trading range. And from resistance zone, the chart has been rolling back, not once, and getting back down. Support zone is beneath the chart and it rolls back from it, and resistance zone is always above the chart. So we must understand why does it all work. Well, a huge amount of traders who either also trade in technical analysis or use method of trading from support and resistance zones, they see the level clearly, and in the very moment the chart reaches support level or resistance level, some traders open positions with higher or lower, provoking the reaction from this essential zone. So, as called crowd effect works here, and we must be one of the first people to open a deal from the maximum or minimum value. Okay, it's really important, because if you open the deal too late, you may lose your bet as it just doesn't work out. For some time, we could be opening deals from very essential levels that are located on the chart and earn. So, of course, the chart cannot stand in this range forever, and then it's just the chart either gets lower the support level, breaking it through, or gets back, breaking the resistance zone through. So our goal is finding those deals, essential zones that the chart is reversed from. So if we point attention, there's a zigzag shape motion of the chart, and the reversal points, this is a reverse, and this is a reverse, and this one as well, and so on. Hope you've got it. Those points are auxiliary tools that we use when drawing those lines. If at least 2 points are on the same level, for example like those upper two ones, then we can draw a resistance level and be sure that when the chart enters the resistance zone for the third time, it will definitely get a reaction from it and we earn. Guys, I hope it's all clear, and let's move to practice and try to make our deposit several times bigger. And I'll be explaining and commenting all of my deals, so be sure to watch this video till the end so you can learn how to make money. So guys, as you see, the chart gets a reaction at a certain point from our support zone. I drew it for several reasons. Firstly, we were reversed here, reversed right here, and the last time we had a red candle here, which got a reaction from this area, support area. The main thing here is to open a deal in the very right moment. Yes, now we don't see some clear reverse or upward motion, but what matters is that we've got a positive reaction. We located two deals in the way each of them was closed on a profit, and in the moment of closure, the chart was higher than we supposed. Okay, now a breakthrough down is happening, of course, and there would be no deals with higher. Of course, the chart is likely to go in a further correction, and further downward motion will proceed. But it doesn't really matter. We took what we wanted, earned, so we go on. Hope there will be more obvious cases. Well guys, the third deal is closed on a profit too. We're so lucky. Our small reaction was enough for our deal to be closed on a profit, and there's a support level formed by previous reverse and current reaction. Here's this reaction. In some ways the chart rolled back up, and now we keep staying in the support zone, so we open another deal with higher and hope it's gonna be a profit. Unfortunately, the second deal is closed at a loss because a breakthrough of this level happens, and if you had a bet and it didn't succeed, then you keep opening deals following the chart motion direction, and as the chart breaks through our support zone, we open a deal with lower. So we had to make at least one bet to cover the previous loss, and we did that. Wow, such a great case, guys. The chart gets reaction clearly from support zone. It looks like this. And a little earlier, the chart rolled back from this zone. Now it got back to it, the support zone, and we opened the deal with higher and turned. Moreover, if we go a little earlier, we see that somewhere here there was a level, and there's a level 2, and right here is a level 2. I mean, those are reversal points that the level was being drawn through. So nothing special, and reaction from this zone was rather predictable. So guys, another deal comes to its closure. It's gonna be a profit. Yes, great! An interesting case here too. Let's open 1 minute time frame again and see why is this case interesting. So the thing is, the level was a resistance level earlier as the chart was growing from it and rolled back down. So this level was above the chart for some time and was a resistance. This level was a resistance also here, but after some trading period we broke the follow through, the chart went up, but now it got back to this zone, and this same zone is no more resistance but a support. We need to keep in mind that we can trade from any zone, but depending on whether the chart is above it or beneath it, we trade in different direction. As the zone a rollback sometime and sometime a resistance. In this case, the zone is a support. The chart got an awesome reaction up and we earned greatly, turned $100 on balance to $405, and I think it's a great result. So if you made it to the end, you're such a fun fellow. Thank you so much for watching. Now you can sign up on Pocket Option platform for free. We were trading on it today. The link to Pocket is in the description or in the pinned comment. And as soon as you signed your demo account up, you can try trading, use the strategy on practice. That's it for today, guys. In my Telegram channel, I'll post an announcement about my next video. And if you want to start getting signals from me personally, then go to my Telegram channel following the link in the pinned comment. And I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video. And before I go, a quick reminder for my dear traders. If you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading on binary options, I recommend you to watch the video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch the video about trading with my signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. That's it. Bye bye.